The installation of the Easty EHP6 Carousel heat press is very straightforward. First, one person should place the heating platen in the correct position and align it with the screw holes. The other persons need to secure the screws from the underneath and tighten them, repeating this process 6 times. Additionally, we need to insert the turnable spaces into the center position and install them, which also requires repeating 6 times. After that, secure the heating platen in place from above with screws. Once everything is securely in place, we can attach the plastic edge banding. The other 2 devices, the film peel-off and garment collection devices, can simply be connected to the main unit to complete the setup.